what is the distribution control system? Okay, we have used for the smart devices. Okay, smart devices, all the devices we have to connect it to the through PLC to computer control system. All the industrial operations, when any other complex network we have connected to the control system. Any fault or failure of the devices, it performs and intimates through alarm circuit. We have to control all the faults where it is occurring, where how to control. Similarly, efficiently we have to control and improve the reliability and reduce the complex circuit. This is a distributed control system. That's a distribution control system. We have used smart devices and different types of field buses connected to the computer system. Any other fault or failure is occurring, we have to show intimates through alarm circuit in, and also in virtually we have to see the all the components operations in distribution control system. Okay, we have virtually that's a real-time operations we have to show in distribution control system. This is a distribution. We have to achieve efficient way reliability operations we have to perform easily. We have to understand and also where it is fault occurring, that is we have to quickly identified using for this one distribution control system. Maximum this used for the many power plants maximum utilized. This operation we have used our ship applications, chemical plants and oil and gas industries, food processing unit, nuclear power plant, water management system, automobile industries. Here our places steam power control, generator fault failure, and also pressure controls, air purifier, all the places we have utilized for distribution control system. Many types of sensor. This is an overview of the distribution control system. All the plants through sensor through PLC we have to connect it in the computer system. Okay, virtually here all the system will be connected under running conditions. Okay, virtually you have to continuously monitoring where it is fault occurring, it is properly it's running or not. We have to measure the RPM, voltage, current also shows all the circuits. Okay, well, any one power plant means initially we have to started fuel handling power plant. That place what type of sensor required, how many quantity we have to feed, how much that's a dust particles available. We have to prove the, we have to check the quality, and also air also we have to apply to the inside because we have to burning the fuel, air is required. Next, how much temperature we have to maintain at the furnace, what type of gases exhausted from the chimney. Similar that we have to check all the places. So all the places different types of sensors available. This overall sensors we have connected here. Okay, overall sensor we have connected step by step where it is fault occurring, it's correctly running or not. We have to where it is repaired. Where some of the plants we have to alternate here. One that is you have single layout diagram, electrical ship layout. We have to acquire alternative system. Maybe one system may be failure means we have to change over to another system. Here this distribution control system person only informed and check this value. Okay, check the this system is failure, you have to change over, give the comments to the other engineers. Similarly you have to use. Okay, this one specially distributor carefully distributed maximum control elements, all the control area we have to utilize for distribution control system. Okay, maximum here used for all the machines. Okay, each element of the process element where we have to control, and a group of machines, also controllers, different types of controllers. Okay, all the places we have to connected. This one overall system. Here CPU, many number of HMI cable is there. Here different types of equipments, machines. Okay, that's a different types of applications of the devices we have to connected. All the sensors we have to connected through the distribution control system. Okay, distribution control system. This one motor. Here different types of motors available. Pump. Okay, solar pump. Similar that bilge pump. In our ship applications, bilge pump is available. Different places induction motors available. Different places DC motors available. So all the motors we have connected through similarly internet cable. All the functions we have to measure and send to the distribution control system monitoring. Okay, any other fluctuations coming means realistically we have to showing in the display system, data acquisition control system, showing any other fault, it's a variations. So depends upon the, we have to vary the and reduce the fault conditions. Okay, maximum different types of this communication part also very important. Okay, here you have to check this communication equipment, Ethernet controller. Okay, this Ethernet communication equipment, this device is also very important. We have to protect from the dust and the temperature particles. Okay, this one, it is called as sometimes supervisory controllers. Okay, it is sometimes called as supervisory controllers. What reason means all the equipments we have checked and verified. So that reason it is called as supervisory controllers. It's architecture. Okay, maximum. It's engineering station. Overall architecture of the distribution control system. Different computers also available, different persons also monitoring the system. Okay, here AC control with direct A7 IO devices, panel. Okay, controller, direct control. Here different universal motor controller, intelligent switch gear and drive and motors. Okay, field devices, and similarly all the devices we have to connected. Okay, all the devices we have connected. Here common grid also here. This common data bus also available, communication bus. This all the data we have feed to the this computer, overall computers. Okay, they have to maintain and check any other changeover. Here any fault on this equipment changeover means we have to disconnect automatically. We have to see in the distribution workstations, engineering workstations, we have to change over, creating new loops. We have to using for PLC. We have to change over the switches. Okay, one portion to another one portion, one circuit to another one circuit. This all the changeovers we have to maintain the proper document. Okay, without a document unable to do. Okay, we have to pre-plan document also there. After that, next that after fault rectification we have to write the what are the faults coming, what are the devices you have to change over. Similar that we have to continuously turn on the and write the portions, what are the portions we have to write in this system. Okay, maximum, that is a operating stations, main engineering stations, operating stations. This operating stations depends upon the maximum software tool. Okay, what are the software you means? That is a DigiWish software is maximum used for the change over the switches. Here this one distribute system, data logging, changeover. Here different types of plant. Here overall circuit is connected, one circuit to another one device we have to directly connected. Here also shows what type of devices, all the devices we have showing virtually in the display distribution control system. This monitoring system virtually we have to showing the all the devices. This is a distribution control system, data logging and acquiring we have to perform in the distribution control system. Okay, any other fault is coming, we have to given the alarm circuit, we have to change over the switches and message also display. This buses is problem. This buses is overloaded. This bus is very less speed. Okay, this bus is very high voltage. This machine is different types of display text also showing depends upon the our fault conditions. Okay, these are different types of IO units, normally open, normally closed buses we have used in the change over the switches. Maximum we have used for this controllers powerful CPU model and field buses or communication model is very much important for this process control of the distribution control system. Okay, it's a maximum, it is easy for capability and the either direct or remote control action is easily we have to performed. Okay, here maximum field devices, whatever sensors, actuators and IO models we have to connect it to the this system. You know that different types of sensors, voltage sensor, current sensor, temperature sensor, pressure sensor, I to V changeover, voltage to current, pressure to voltage, voltage to pressure. All the sensors, actuators, actual mechanical devices we have connected to the input models. These input models connected to the distribution control system. Maximum here very high sensitive and very high accuracy devices, smart devices only we have utilized in the field, because this distribution control system accuracy is very important. This type of conductors we have, buses we have utilized in the distribution control system. This different types of models also used, logic implemented models and output actual relay we have utilized. Okay, this one distribution control system